What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and if you're like me, you've got tons of devices that you have to keep a good charge on. You've got your laptop, you've got your iPad, you've got your cell phones, maybe even have other devices like a Nintendo Switch. What this ends up looking like for most folks is you've got a power strip somewhere with tons of bricks plugged into that power strip and wires running everywhere. It's total chaos, it's a mess. Spigen has the solution to this issue. Big shout outs to Spigen for sponsoring this video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the arcdock GaN 1204 and 654. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's focus on the GaN 1204. One thing that I really love about this, it is a super mini device that's still super powerful. So you're gonna be able to charge 4 devices, including 2 MacBook Pros if you would like. It is powerful enough to charge 2 MacBook Pros at the same time, which is awesome. This has a sleek design. It is 39% smaller, yet delivers 20 watts of extra power. So to give you a rundown of the actual output, you got 120 watts of total output. Each USB-C port can do 100 watts if it's the only thing plugged in. Each USB-A port can do 18 watts at a time. Ports 1 and 2 can do 60 watts simultaneously. If you have 4 devices plugged in at the same time, you're able to get 65 watts on the first port, 20 watts on the second port, and then 18 watts on the 2 USB-A ports. Both of these chargers have really incredible technology, which is going to provide tons of power to charge your devices, but also keep your devices safe. The 3D PCB technology is how they're able to get this charger 39% smaller. Intelligent safety is the overheating protection. This is going to reduce the heat output by the charger by 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you're still going to get a fast charge, but your devices will be much cooler, protecting them in the long run and meaning that they're going to be able to get more charge cycles over their lifespan. Another main benefit of gallium nitride, which both of these chargers use, is the fact that it reduces ripple noise. So you're going to get a much cleaner power coming to your devices. The reduction of the ripple noise means you get stable power and you don't have to worry about power surges to the devices while charging. This is going to improve the lifespan of both your device and your charger. Quantum Boost is another awesome feature. This can detect the exact device that's been plugged into the device and then deliver maximum power. So the maximum amount of power that that device is able to accept, this will be able to deliver that amount of power, which means you're going to get faster charge speeds. With intelligent power diffusion, the 1204 is also able to provide a charge to 2 MacBook Pros simultaneously, which is super impressive. Next up, let's take a look at the GaN 654 4-port USB charging station. This one's even smaller and still produces 65 watts of maximum power. The 654 is about 19% smaller than other chargers like it. When it comes to charging specs, both of the USB-C ports can output 65 watts by themselves, and the 2 USB-A ports can output 18 watts if they're just single use. When you use both USB-C ports at the same time, you're able to get 45 watts on the first port and 18 watts on the second port. When you use all 4 watts at the same time, you can get 18 watts on the USB-C ports and 12 watts on the USB-A ports. The 654 also has all of the same technology as the 1204 that we mentioned earlier, so you're going to get super clean, stable power to your devices, which is going to improve the lifespan and the charging cycles over time on both your phone and your charger. Overall, if you're looking for a super mini charging solution that's going to be able to charge all your devices at once and really clean up your desk or other space, this is definitely the option for you. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick up the arcdock GaN 1204 and 654. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.